So over here you can see that I have a project with a bunch of clips right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here on the master folder. So here you can see that I am in audio right now, but I'm just going to go around onto the cut page right here. And let me just go around inside of the video page right here. So here you can see that I got a bunch of videos, and if I want to see all of the videos at once, then you can go around over here onto this button right here where it says source tape. As you can see, as I hover over, it says source tape right there. So if I were to go around and click this, then what happens is that all of the clips are arranged out together just like this, and you can see all of the clips right here. So you can actually go around and then play this right here, and you can see that the clips that you see in this particular folder are all here. So you can go around onto the beginning, and let's say you highlight this, then what you see over here is that the clip gets highlighted right here. Similarly, you go around over here, then this clip gets highlighted over here on the left side, as you can see. So you can go around over here onto source clip right here and go inside, let's say for example, nature. And if I were to go around now and then click on source tape, then I only see those 4 videos right here, not the ones which is outside of that folder. And that is how you can actually go around and utilize the source tape, as you can see. So you can go around right here and then utilize the in and out points right over here as well. Select out, let's say for example, different clips right here, just like this, and then bring them out over here onto the main timeline right here. And both of the clips that are selected just pops up right here, as you can see. So if you want an overall view of all of the footages that you have over here on the media pool, then you can use the source tape option easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.